how you can buy Bitcoin on Moonpay. So the first thing is you need to have Moonpay installed, downloaded, and you need to have a verified account logged into it. So for that purpose, my account is all set up, and this is what your first interface looks like. The next step is to go to Bitcoins under popular tokens, and then since we're about to buy the Bitcoins, we need to click on the option of buy Bitcoins. Now over here you need to input the amount that you want to buy. 200, 300, 500, 1000, or any amount in between these amounts. For now, let me say 300. And over here we can see Bitcoin and a downwards arrow. If we click here, then you'll also have multiple other options like Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, and Litecoin. Now, but since the 4 of them are of no use to us, we'll be selecting Bitcoin itself, and then we'll move on to continue. Now, the way towards the billing address is we need to use an address which supports the Bitcoin, and we need to make sure that it is correct to avoid losing our BTC. Now we need to select the account which is given here and then move on to continue. Once you click on continue, you will be asked by which method you want to pay, whether it is through your bank card, Visa card, MasterCard, debit card, credit card, or via a bank transfer. You need to select one of these options. And then over here, you'll have to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and your nationality, and then click on the continue button right here. Once you click on continue, you can be very safe and secured and have no stress, also have no doubts in whether your Bitcoin has been purchased or not. By following these few simple steps, you can be sure, you can be fully confident that you have purchased your Bitcoin account. Thank you.